Hey fellas, just making a quick video today about shift levers. What we got here is a stock unmolested shifter. This is the one I used to have in my car. It's a stock shifter. I bent it back a little bit and I welded in the mounting holes so I wouldn't have to buy UPR bushings. And this is a stock one that I've cut, because this is what I'm doing now, is making a shorty shifter with a little bit of difference being that it's set back further than our shorty hearse shifter, because I'm really long-legged, so I need to have something that's I can reach towards, and you know, otherwise if I got the seat forward and I got the seat back up and then I try to use the shorty shifter, my knees are banging on the bottom of the dashboard, so I need to have something a little different. And this is what works for me. It's an idea I stole from Rod many years ago. You just take a stock shifter, cut this part out, put this down here, put this up here like so. Well, like, you gotta kind of hold it when you get it how you want it, but you get the idea. Weld it together and you got your own shorty shifter without having to buy a whole kit. You know, if you've got, you know, obviously I like hearse shifters, but if you got your own shorty shifter set up and you want a little something better with a handle, you know, you can modify the stock handle if you got access to a welder and some other tools, or just have a lot of ambition. So that's how to make it work. The idea behind it being, you know, you got these two shifters, right, and they pivot down here. This one you can have a much shorter throw, so you can complete the shifts faster and get the clutch out quicker and stay on the, you know, be in the gas longer, be accelerating more while you're going down the track. You get better ETs. That is it in a nutshell. So that's it. Take care. See ya.